Hey you guys, so I'm here to do another tutorials really quick, really fast. Doing a 22-inch ponytail. This is a Fab and KINKY Curls 4A Curls drawstring ponytail. I have on my website right now. And I'm gonna do a high ponytail. It's gonna be real cute. It's real hot. Sometimes you don't wanna be wearing a lot of hair on your head, or like sometimes you want your edges to be free. You know, I love wigs. I wear wigs all the time, but sometimes I wanna give it a break. So I'm gonna be doing a high ponytail today, and what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm not gonna let you see my hair yet. I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. So what we're gonna do, what I have is my Eco Styler Gel. Bomb edge control. I love it so much. I'm addicted. Booster is called Edge Booster. That's what I put on my hair. And that's it, girl. So let's do it. This is just water. Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil. Okay, now I'm gonna put some of the edge control. Do is get two or three bandanas or scarves, satin scarves, to tie it down. Tie it down, get my silk scarf. Again, tie my hair down for like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So I'll be back. Again, this is the 22-inch. You guys can see how it looks. 4A curls. I do have this hair in bundles. So you guys can get the hair, and you know, you can make a wig, a unit out of it, install it beautiful. I did a U-part with mine, and I wore it over the winter. Yeah. I was wearing the heck out of it. So you guys can see how it looks. I used, again, to get the curls to pop, a Denman brush and some Dove conditioner. So what you're gonna need is some pins. I got some bobby pins. I also have, you don't have to have this, but I have an extra, like a little piece of kinky curly hair that I had in a little stash somewhere. Then I have my ponytail. It might not be ready, still a little wet, so I'm gonna tie it back up when I'm done. Put it on, make sure it's snug. Yep, them combs in there, honey. And then I'm gonna pull it tight, really tight, so it can really wrap around that ball. And then take the string and wrap it around. And then I'm gonna secure that string with the bobby pin. If you don't have extra hair, you can always, ooh, I'm gonna mess up my curls, child. Oh my God. So if you have, you know, you can take a piece of the hair from the ponytail like this. Ooh, messing up my curls, but it's all good. And then you can pin it up, or, you know, like that. Take it, make sure it's flat, and wrap it around so you can hide all that stuff, all the, you know, the drawstring and all that good stuff. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna fold it up, roll it up like this, stick it in there and get a bobby pin. Up my curls. Oh my God. Whatever. Okay, girl, I'm done. Ain't this cute? So you can do this. You be like, huh? What? Girl, you can do that. This is so cute. I think it's just fun. Cute little high, kinky, curly ponytail. Look like your natural hair. You can wear it with a little maxi dress or some little cute shorts with a little halter top. You can look real cute, little, you know, natural looking thing going on. This again is on my website. Extra Chest by Fab, 22 inches long. I love it so much. You guys make sure you rate the video. Also make sure you hit that bell because a lot of people are not getting my notifications. I have to keep posting it on my Instagram. I don't want to keep doing that. I have to keep letting you guys know on my Instagram that I have a video up on my YouTube because YouTube ain't letting people know no more because you got to hit that bell. So yeah, just hit that bell and let me know what you think. Rate this video, and I'll talk to you. I can't talk. I always do this. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? Bye.